Variant, Standard. Title ALFAPARF Milano Lino Sublime Cellula Madre Hair Multiplier Review Script. ID 57042. Welcome to Beautyistic. If your hair has been through the ringer, dry ends, breakage, fading color, you know the struggle of finding a product that actually makes a visible difference. Today, we're exploring a product designed to repair and rejuvenate damaged hair. The ALFAPARF Milano Lino Sublime Cellula Madre Restructuring Multiplier. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our beauty insights. This multiplier comes in a 5.07 Fa liquid formula and is vegan-friendly, crafted specifically for damaged hair. Its main promise is to repair and reconstruct hair, enhance shine, and protect cosmetic color with just a single application. The product relies on ALFAPARF Milano's proprietary Cellula Madre technology, which targets the hair structure at a cellular level to strengthen and revitalize strands. In terms of usage, I applied it to damp, towel-dried hair, focusing on mid-lengths and ends where damage is most noticeable. The liquid texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue. Right away, my hair felt smoother, more manageable, and surprisingly soft. After blow-drying, there was a noticeable shine, and the strands had a silky, healthier appearance. For color-treated hair, it seemed to maintain vibrancy longer, reducing that washed-out look after multiple washes. One of the things I appreciated is how easy it is to incorporate this into a routine. Just a few drops before styling, and it blends seamlessly without weighing hair down. The scent is subtle and pleasant, adding to the overall experience without being overpowering. Pros definitely include the immediate softness, shine, and protective benefits for colored hair. The lightweight formula makes it versatile for fine to medium hair types. On the flip side, the price is on the higher side, which could be a consideration if you're looking for a daily use product. Some users may wish for a slightly larger bottle to justify the investment, but the concentrated nature of the liquid means a little goes a long way. Comparing this to other repair serums on the market, ALFAPARF Milano stands out for its focus on cellular restructuring and its color-protecting benefits. While there are more budget-friendly options that improve softness and shine, few offer the same level of hair fortification and cosmetic color maintenance. The packaging feels high-end, with a sturdy cap and bottle that prevents spills. As a liquid product, its longevity depends on careful storage, but the formulation itself is stable and has maintained effectiveness over several weeks of use in my routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. While I haven't personally interacted with customer service, ALFAPARF Milano has a reputation for responsive support and quality assurance, which adds confidence in purchasing their products. For those on a tighter budget, alternatives like other reconstructing serums can offer softness and shine, but may not provide the same depth of repair or color protection. If the price aligns with your expectations for salon-quality treatment at home, this multiplier is definitely worth considering. Overall, the ALFAPARF Milano Lino Sublime Cellula Madre Restructuring Multiplier impresses with its immediate and visible results. Hair feels smoother, stronger, and looks vibrant and glossy. For anyone dealing with damage from heat styling, coloring, or environmental stressors, this product is particularly beneficial. Those seeking deep hair repair and color protection will find it a solid addition to their routine. Thank you for watching. The link to purchase the product is in the comments below. If you've used this product, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.